How to book a tee time at Shotgun Golf using a coupon code. Move your mouse to the top right-hand side of the screen. Click on Book Tee Time. A new window will open, directing you to this booking page. Choose your facility. Select the duration of your booking. Pick the bay, the date, and the time you want. Click on Book Booking. Then click Confirm Facility. Be sure to read through the waiver. Once done, click Confirm, and then click Save. Once in the payment section, enter your coupon code in the designated field. Click Apply, then select OK to confirm. Click Confirm Booking. Congratulations! Your booking's now confirmed. Open your confirmation email. Inside, you'll find the time of your booking, directions to the facility, and a link to Open Door. At your booked time, click on Open Door in the email. The door will unlock automatically 15 minutes before your booking time. Enjoy your tee time!